Oh, birthday party today. Okay, I'm coming.
Hello, Kitty. Where are you? Come here and listen to me. Kitty, I'm going to a party. And you didn't even think of leaving the house? Oh, Mom, don't worry. Bye-bye, Kitty. Take care. Bye-bye, Mom. Take care. Uncle, please give me 2 ice cream cones.
Kitty, I forbade you from going out, didn't I?
Oh, I am sorry, Mom.
I will punish you for this today.
Bye-bye, daughter and son. Bye-bye, Mom and Dad. After I drop you off, I'll go to the supermarket to get some vegetables. Okay, honey, bye-bye. Oh my God, what happened? The LCD glass is all broken. Why did you break the LCD glass? Now you will answer to Mom. I think I got all the vegetables. I should go now.
I got an idea. When my mother comes, I'll take my sister's name. Tell me honestly, which one of you broke the LCD glass?
I didn't break it. My sister broke it.
Kitty, tell me why you broke the LCD glass. I will punish you for this today.
Mom, leave me. I didn't break the glass. My brother broke it.
After today, you will act like this and lie. Yes! Today, I will burn you with this iron and punish you. Do you like this hot iron?
What were you doing? Someone does this too. Come on, apologize to the kitty.
My daughter, forgive me. I shouldn't have treated you like this.